Hello everyone. So I'm inside Dollar Tree and these are window clings or decals. Look at this gingerbread house one. They even come with little stickers so you can customize the houses. I think it would be cute for a kid or grown up actually to play with. I would do it. And my daughter sticks them to her mirror in her bedroom and they stick well on her mirror and look super cute. These are also window decorations, but I think they have a sticker backing. It's a little bit different. What have you done with these? Nice big bows are here, and also a couple of the blush decorative balls are still available. By the way, I just grabbed this right when I walked in. It was hanging on a peg, and I think I'll use it for my paper crafts. I'll just cut it out. A lot of their bags have already sold. So many are gone. There's a beautiful bag in this size here with the red truck, and they had a few of them here, but it looks like they're all gone. It's all about the gingerbread this year. Last year was the gnomes. This year, gingerbread. They have some treats here if you're looking to fill a little bowl. Treats for Christmas. I always like to put out little chocolates and stuff. The Kinder is a great value. I don't want to squish these. They have newer bags to me. I haven't seen these anywhere. Some more. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Okay, I have to take this off. The peg system here. So there's the Mrs. Claus Bake Shop. It says cookies, pies, and candy. It's so darling, so cute in real life. And then they have these containers as well with the little gingerbread print. And I feel like the red truck is a different print this year. I love the side of this. I just don't like the top lid. These are perfect if you want to make small desserts. Mousse, pudding, jello layers. Great little mini cups. And these are great too. Especially during the holidays, if you're bringing something to somebody's house, then you don't have to stress about getting your serving stuff back. I have to say that Dollar Tree does have a great selection of little knickknacks and things that you can wrap and put in the stocking. By the way, do you wrap the stocking stuffers? I always did when my kids were little, and I still give them a stocking now. Etch-a-Sketch, they have a whole bunch of things here. Sometimes they have card games, and yep, they have some great card games. You can separate these, and each kid gets a card game. So there's dominoes as well, and then you can have like a little family game night. So many great little things here. Lots of little Disney characters as well. If you're making a cake, you can make a theme. Dollar Tree also has a lot of Crayola items, but oh my goodness, look, they even have Orb Sensory. This is a brand name. So you always find really great things at Dollar Tree. This Miraculous? I think it was a little cartoon show. And they have these. They're little activity kits. They even had the Little Mermaid one with the recent Little Mermaid, which I thought was awesome at another Dollar Tree. Frozen, Crayola. Quick walk down the food aisle just so that you can see. They have, oh, this is from Halloween because it's, yeah, Frankenstein. So they just have some sprinkles out. I know they have Christmas themed one as well. Christmas themed ones. So I will take a look, but in this aisle here they don't have the Christmas ones. And there's some fruit, but I've been looking for the cherry pie filling because some of you have told me that it's available again, which I'm super excited about. but I don't see any here. And they have some interesting little containers of cereal, Powerade, but the larger one. This time of year, I like to search around Dollar Tree for some brand name goodies. So these are made by Hershey's. This is the lava cake. And then there's the candy cane kisses. So I like to get these, and then I can put them on my little dessert tray. And these are the real fruit sours. It's a really nice big package too. And then they have Reese's Pieces. So I don't put little things like this. I put more like foiled and chocolates and stuff like that. These, I've heard you guys have said these are really good, so maybe I will try a pack. Well, how about these? Has anyone tried them? I'm looking for dowels, but not such long ones. I need to do a DIY with them, and I could cut those, I guess. But I'll go and take a look in the craft section and see if I spot anything. By the way, have you seen the adorable mats this year? I love this one. The North Pole Tree Farm, so cute. And they have some different sentiments on these ones. I'm not a big fan of the plaid, but the towels are cute, but they're all microfiber, so they're more just decorative. I think they're not the best for drying towels or your hands. So I tend to collect little goodies like this for my paper crafts, and I use these stickers for embellishments and decorating. So I'll take a look sometimes if there's a sentiment or a part of the sticker I can cut out, and I go through them, and I'm a bit picky, but I do like going through these tags. Now, there are obviously great Christmas tags as well. They're great stickers. There are the 3D embellishments, which you can fussy cut and repurpose them. So many cute options. They don't have the gingerbread pack I bought at the other store, though. And then they have some more stickers here. Some of them are glittery, too. I found packages with glittered stickers. So, in case you like that look. Take my time, I look carefully, like here's a little gingerbread, but it's not really my style, so I'm gonna pass. These are cute too. You can repurpose the little tags. Sometimes they have 3D embellishments on them, and they're perfect because you can just deconstruct them, but I don't really see anything here. These are pretty, just to go with a gift. I actually like the look. I don't know if you spot the new fabrics, but let's go take a look. This has to be part of the spring line. It has to be, right? Because it's not really a woodland character's winter theme. I feel like it's a spring theme. The light pinks and the teal blues. How delicate and cute. But then it also has like a flannel feel. So maybe it is part of the winter line. Could it be? I'm so confused. I'm going to leave you with just a little simple DIY. I used some permanent vinyl. You can use heat transfer vinyl, of course, or even sublimation vinyl, I think. And I should have done this in a glitter, maybe like a gold glitter or even white. The red just didn't turn out the way I was expecting. You can still see it in real life. It looks cute, but it's not showing up so well on screen. And then I just pulled back some of the Cricut transfer tape. I hope this inspires you to customize some of the Dollar Tree goodies. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
Comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow out with a sigh, and all that blossomed will wither away and die. just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm